How to update Bigo Live apps. Want to make sure you are using the latest Bigo Live feature and bug fixes. Here's how to update the app on Android. Open the Google Play Store and search Bigo Live. If you have seen update button, tap it to download the latest version. If it shows open, you are already up to date. Look for the Play Store's update, troubleshooting common issue, slow update. Restart your phone and try again. No update options. State stock. Delete or reinstall the Bigo Live app. Just make sure you remember your login info. And that's how you update Bigo Live in second. Fast, simple, and smooth. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more handy app tutorials. Catch you in the next one.